RevExpo.com. Empowering, enhancing, informing.
Hello friends, welcome to RevExpo.com. Today we will be unboxing Tds Meter. So this is the package we got from Amazon. You can see, so the seller ionix imported Tds Meter for RO water testing. So this is the package what we have got from Amazon. So first we'll be unboxing the package. And you can see here the price of the meter is $215, and now we'll remove the product. So you can see the product is nicely packed to avoid damages. This is the meter what we have ordered, Tds meter. Actually, what is TDS? TDS is nothing but total dissolved salts in water. So this is used to measure the quality of water what we consume. So this is the best device which can be used for testing the water quality, and we can decide whether the water is best for drinking or not. So this is a Tds meter, you can see. So it is small in size. You can see the three options on this meter. One is hold, temperature, on and off, and this is the mouth of the device. And this is the reading section, digital reading section, where we can see the results of the water, and you can see the marking over here. And next, before moving to the testing, you will be seeing the instructions given in the booklet. So the Tds Meter 3 water quality tester. So here you can find the details in English. So what is TDS? TDS is total dissolved solids which is found in the water. And here you can see the higher the TDS level in the water, the greater the probability of harmfulness, contaminants that can pose health risk. It means, as per the parameters prescribed by the Indian government, the quality of water which is more than 100 and below 500 mg per liter or 500 ppm. ppm means particles per million. So which is best for drinking, that is 100 to 500. So the TDS level between 100 to 500 ppm is best for drinking. So you can see the instruction how to use the Tds meter, and here what are the features the Tds meter, and you can see the range, accuracy, battery size, weight, and the warranty related instructions over here. An instruction for the Tds meter. So before use and after use, how to maintain the device, and at what level you need to have water to get the accurate results. So all these instructions are listed in this booklet. So this is available in the device. In the next video, we'll be demonstrating how to use this Tds Meter and apply on 3 different water samples. Thank you for watching this video. For more product information, please click on the link provided in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe our channel RevExpo.com for more review video updates. Click on the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thank you.